You're out there interested in losing weight. And when I'm referring to losing weight, I'm not necessarily talking about physical weight. I'm sure some of us feel that we can lose a pound or two or three or a little bit more. That's one thing. But the weight that I'm referring to losing is mental weight. Many of us are carrying around mental weight unnecessarily. There are things in our minds that are weighing us down. So, how do we get rid of that weight? We know what we have to do in order to lose physical weight. We have to train. We have to get into a program that's going to help us with that an ongoing process of losing weight. So how do we change our mentality? Or it's just like the physical weight. In order to lose physical weight, you have to do certain things. Well, we need for you to lose some weight mentally, emotionally, psychologically. And the only way to do that is you're going to have to change certain things about yourself. Number one, you're going to have to be committed to change. If you're not committed to change, I don't care if you get into exercise program, weight loss programs, they won't do any good. Once you have committed yourself to making the change mentally, then it will affect you emotionally as well as physically. Because then you have an adjusted mentality about yourself. And when you adjust your mentality about yourself, you will change things about yourself. Am I saying you're going to break some habits? No, you don't break habits. You have to create new ones. Yes, that's what I'm saying. You have to create new habits. Old habits do not change. You cannot break an old habit. It remains in you even if it lays dormant for centuries. Of course, many of us won't be around that long, but it will remain with you. So what you have to change is your mind, your mentality about yourself. If you change your mind about yourself, you're going to change what you do with yourself, for yourself, and by yourself. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? But many of us won't do it. You know why we won't do it? Because it's far easier to look for somebody to blame than for me to change.